guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tani Gonzalez, aka Kiss and Makeup 0514, and welcome to the video. Okay guys, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. That red subscribe button down below, you're gonna click that and you will be subscribed to my channel where I do videos every Mondays and Fridays. And also hit that little notification bell, that way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is gonna be a fun one because I feel like this is definitely a fun palette, and I do have here the Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette. I found my eyeshadow palette in Hot Topic, and it was actually a mistake because I was going in there looking for Pokemon for Madison, and I saw this sitting there. It was the last one there, and I picked it up. It was about $14 to $15, and I thought this would be a really fun video to do for you guys because I want to see if it's a really usable palette. I had no idea they would have this palette, and they had a whole bunch of other makeup there as well, so that was super surprising. But I'm excited to try this today and see if it's pigmented and if it's actually a usable product and it's not like gimmicky. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks. It has the Rugrats right here, and then it says Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette. Super cute. And then you open it up, and this is the inside of the palette. So it has a mirror, not that big, but just something right in the middle, and then it has like the Nickelodeon characters, and then it has huge pans of eyeshadow here. Pretty much I can definitely do a look with these eyeshadows, and I think I might be using these shades maybe up here. Not sure yet what I plan to do. Most of the time I pretty much like just wing it, and I don't have a look that I specifically want to do, but I do like this purple and the pinks, but then I like the burgundy here as well. So I am going to go into this palette and see how pigmented it is. It even comes with a brush. So I'm just going to take this clear plastic right off. And then they do have the names on the palette here. They do have super cute names on them. Like this one here is called All Dolled Up. Then this one is Hi No Diggity. You Idiot. It's not You Idiot. It's called You Idiot. So yeah, they're super cute. They're relatable to Nickelodeon, obviously. I want to see if I can get a good look going with this, and I do want to show you guys the brush it comes with. So it's not a blending brush or anything like that. I would probably use this brush for my lid, and let me show you. So it's a neon green color, and it's a flat shader brush. So I've already primed my eyes, and I think I want to go in with Hi Ho Diggity. That's this orange shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease. So if you guys can see that this pigmentation on the eyeshadow is really good so far. This shade is a true orange shade, and the pigmentation is really good on this. So at first I thought I had to really build up the pigment, but honestly it's the total opposite. I have to kind of watch because I feel like this is insanely orange like right now. So I don't mind the colors at all. I love doing colors on my eyes, but I mean, this is orange. So I think next I'm going to go in with You Idiot, and I'm going to use that with the same brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. I'm super surprised at the pigmentation in these shadows. This is insane pigmentation. Like, I hardly get this with my palettes that I pay like $50, $60 for sometimes. I'm just going to take a clean brush and just kind of blend everything together right here. And I think I actually want to go in with this purple shade right here. This is called I'm the Boss. And I think I'm going to put that, I might put it on the outer corner. Let's see how that works. So I'm going to take another clean brush, and I think I'm going to put that on the outer corner. So I'm thinking of going in with the pink shade on the lid because I want to keep this right on the outer corner, and then I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit to go in that crease area. So I'm going to go back in with Hi Ho Diggity, and I'm just going to take that on this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. Jesus, look at this. Insane. So next I think I'm going to take this shade right here, and this is all dolled up, and I'm going to take that same brush that it came with, and I'm going to apply this on the lid. Okay, so the brush is definitely a cheapy little brush. I can't use that. So I wouldn't recommend the brush in there. It's really not that good. So I'm gonna go in with this, I think this is an Urban Decay brush. Place that right on my lid. So I think I'm gonna go in with this blue right now, and this one is called Football Head. Obviously, if you guys know what that's from Hey Arnold, because Arnold has like that huge head. And where is he? Yeah, he's right there. That's Hey Arnold, and everybody always called him a football head. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna take this Morphe E28 brush and dip it in that shade. Oh, that's a little too much. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I think I overdid it. So now I'm just gonna go in with my eyeliner, and this is the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner, and I'm just gonna wing it out. So now I'm going to go in with these lashes. These are the Dolly Monroe lashes, a friend of mine's that just created her own lash line. I will link everything down below if you guys wanted to check these out. I believe they retail for $17.99, and they're mink lashes. The ones I am using today are called the Lily lashes, and I have my own lashes, guys. So my lashes are the Tanya lash. I don't have them right now. They're in the other room. So I'm super excited for her that she created her own line of lashes, but I'm so appreciative that she named one of the lashes after me. And the case is like so glittery and so beautiful. So I'm just gonna apply these on my lashes. So before I put the lashes on, I think I want to go in with glitter. I feel like it needs a little something, like a pop of something. So I am taking this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and this one is in Crystal Cobalt, and I'm going to take this glittery side here, and I'm just going to apply the glitter with this 210 brush from MAC, and I'm going to do it from the inner corner, just halfway. So I think I'm gonna do a full face just because I don't think I've done a full face on camera for a while. I will go back into the eyeshadow palette and swatch all these shadows that we didn't use. So yeah, so before we do that, I do want to do my full face just because I haven't done my full face for you guys in a minute. So now I'm gonna go in with this Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, and I'm just gonna take my beauty blender here and just blend that into the skin. And now I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm using the one in light neutral, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes, down my nose, the bridge of my nose, and also my forehead and my chin area. So now I'm just going to go in with my Airspun powder, and I am just going to bake my face. You guys know this is my favorite powder from the drugstore. And I'm just going to go underneath my eyes. I was doing somebody's makeup at my job, and we were talking about baking the face, and I laughed so hard because she was like, "What do you mean faking the face?" And I was like, "No, it's baking the face." So now going in with my number 7 bronzer, and this one is in Golden Sand. You guys, I love this bronzer so much. I have the one in caramel, but I feel like it's a little bit too dark, but they have, I think, 3 or 4 shades. I'll link it down below for you guys so you guys can check out the shades. These are so pretty. You can find these in Target, and they're a pretty reasonable price. And I honestly picked this up before I go in with my high-end bronzers for some reason. I just feel like it's perfect. It's not too cool and it's not too warm, and it just works perfectly as a contour or a bronzer on the cheeks. So I'm going to go in with this MAC blush, and this is their Mineralized Skin Finish, and it's in Stereo Rose. I'm not sure if they still have this available. If I find it, I will link it down below. It's a nice peachy shade, and then it also has like a tint of like a little shimmer to it. That's why I like it, but it's not too much, and it just gives like this subtle glow to the cheek. So now going into the lips, I'm just going to take this Kylie Jenner lip liner, and this one is in Dazzle. And then on top of that, I think I'm going to go in with this Kevyn Aucoin Molted Lip Color, and this one is in Pink Crystal, and I'm just going to top this. And now we're going to go back into the palette, and I'm just going to take that Hi Ho Diggity, this one right here, and I'm going to blend that on the lower lash line. So now, just taking You Idiot, I'm just going to take my brush, a clean brush, and just blend out that bottom lash. I'm just gonna pop the highlight right in that inner corner. And then I'm just gonna go in with some MAC Fix Plus. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I think it turned out really nice, and I was super surprised with this palette. So I will be doing some arm swatches for you guys, but as far as the palette is concerned, I think this is so fun, and I feel like it brought fun back into the makeup. I feel like makeup has been really serious for the past like couple of maybe 2 years or a year or whatever. I know it seemed a little gimmicky at first, but if you think about it, who didn't watch Nickelodeon when they were young? I know I used to watch this like with my kids all the time. But yeah, so I feel like it just brought back the fun into makeup, and the palette just made me smile. As soon as I saw the palette, I just had this huge smile on my face, because it's just something that just brings you back into your childhood. Now, is this going to be one of the best eyeshadow palettes I have? Probably not, but I see myself playing with this and using the palette just because I feel like I created a really nice look with it. I feel like though that the eyeshadows here are wearable. Like if you look at them first and you're like, okay, well, what am I gonna do with them? They're really wearable. Like the pinks, the purples, the blues, the burgundy, you have gold here, orange, green. So the pink shade right here all dolled up was a little powdery for me, and it did have some fallout, but I feel like all in all the pigmentation was on point with this palette, and I feel like it's just a fun palette. The price point is good too. I think, like I said, I paid like $14 to $15 for this, and it's just really fun. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and let me know what you guys think about this palette. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.